Hi, this is just a little introduction to show you how to use the forum activity in Moodle, if you haven't used it before. Moodle has this space here, and it looks like this, where you have, let me move the screen over here, a subject, as you can see, and a place for a message. In order to have a topic to discuss with everybody, you go in the subject area and you type, for example, um, ideas about Walt and I don't know, racism. Okay, and then you can type uh, your thoughts there. You can say something like, at first, Walt is a, let's see, Walt doesn't trust his neighbors. Okay, blah, 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 and you go on with that. And then when you're done typing that, you can go down and post a forum. And then there it is. It's a, we have this idea, Walt and racism, and you can open it up and you can see what I wrote. And then if you want to, we can have discussions as a class. You can reply to that. You just click on reply. And then you write your reply. And then you can click submit. If you decided you don't want to share it, then just click cancel. If you want to start a new topic, then you can go up to, I'm going to cancel that for now. You can go, let's see. If you see this, so we're at this introduction for how to use new forums. You just click add a new discussion topic. Click on there. Again, it opens up this area. You can put a subject there and then say what you want to say. You use this area if you want to add, for example, if you don't want to type it, you can just click the microphone and then you can record yourself, and then that's on here, and then just post it. You can also upload a document here if you need to. Otherwise, just ask me if you have any other questions. But that's basically how you use forums. I'm going to click cancel again. Okay. All right. Looking forward to meeting you on the forum.